Ah, we are live. Yeah, we are live and alive. So we need the YouTube link or whatever. We are live. Yeah, we are getting an echo.
Okay, I sent it to you.
Okay. Yep. Got it. So let's put it. Copy. Um, I'll put it here as well in case anyone wants to give to anybody, and we can put it in our Discord as well in case they can't get in or anyone can't. Well, there's to shuffle seats basically. Yeah. Where are we? Mm, 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 mm. It's weird when you hit it first time. It just just doesn't do paste and go in one shot. In fact, today I had a bit of mercury as well when I was trying to start it. Yeah, um, it says trouble logging in, and then third go went through. Okay, so that's it. Without further ado, so everyone okay and everyone got a seat in and everything and whatever. Yeah. Okay, so let's go through the daily levels and we go through one by one. Okay, S&P we said 4350. You have to be careful, like a line in sand.
You need to
And
share your screen.
oops, sorry. Where are we? Screen.
Yeah.
Yes, you can all see all the levels now. Let's start again. Okay, so what we said is 4350. We can call it as a line in sand, as a must hold. Yeah. If that cracks, then maybe we need to look at this 4288 cyclist plus and minus 3. Yeah. If that goes, then things can get very ugly. Okay. And very quickly. I'm not saying it's going to happen because we have had the Monday drop and we got the Tuesday turn round up, basically, not turn round down. And we need to watch basically the round is only 13.7 to the 4400. Yeah. But basically, you can look to say at the moment you want to sell the rallies, okay? Sell the rallies, yeah. And today, basically, what we are saying is when the market, the real time hours open, you need to watch basically between 45 and 90 minutes early opening. Do we get a deep drop or a shallow drop? And does it try to do a staircase pattern up or from the V shape a staircase pattern up? Yeah. If it doesn't, then you end up getting a tennis ball dropping down the stairs effect. Okay, so that is something to be aware of. Okay, and this is basically the pattern for this day today, without revealing too much. Basically, yeah. So same thing, and all the mariners will know above we have the 343. Yeah, 7 times 7 times 7. So you can use that as must hold. Yeah, because it's only like 200 points away. Dow can do that within seconds if it wants. Yeah. So sell the rallies, but also always draw the lines in between the numbers. Yeah. Unfortunately, at the moment, there's nothing lining up that we can hit. If something does we see, then of course we are mad. We will go through it. Oh, by the way, that short in Bitcoin, yeah, as posted on Friday or whatever it was, it did land yesterday with 2,000 points. Yeah, that was updated yesterday as well. NASCAR, same thing. Pop to drop. Yeah, pop to drop. I don't like this thing at all. This always keeps on meddling in between. Exit. Okay. Nifty, same thing. It's making like a wobbly cup of tea. Yeah, you look at it like that, you can basically say we are making a wobbly cup of tea. Yeah, so you can look to sell either around C1 area or in between and C. Yeah, we're making and then see if it makes a shape. Yeah, a cup of tea. Actually, because it's nifty, we can say masala chai. Yeah, we can say masala chai. Okay. Um, any questions? Do shout away as well. Yeah. Now you can see the screen, Naveen, because before I hadn't put the screen on. It was me.
Yeah, yeah, you can see by.
It was me. Yeah. Daxi as well has done a good pop. Wait and see where it fizzles out the BMW for a sell. Yeah. But at the moment at MOB here, nothing to do because it's just, we can say basically it's neither above the MOB or below the MOB. Yeah. It's just going sideways here. What's the footsie, my boring fellow, doing? Okay, nearly at C1. Need to watch around C1 area if it stops, but if it pops up, then you can look to sell it. Yeah. And today is S2L, so tomorrow is S3L as well. So we will get lows. We will get lows. Yeah. Frenchies, even though we don't trade, but it's basically filling the gap in anyway. Yeah. It's filling the gap in. Root crude. Okay. At MOB, nothing to do as well. But you can use the market as 72. We went to around 73 on the expiry. If it does a pop to drop, you can go fishing around 72, 71, 80, 72 as a small short. Yeah. What's Brent doing? Similar situation. It's at 74. Yeah. Wait a bit and see. And don't forget, tomorrow we have the oil inventories. Yeah. Okay. Anyone? Okay. Okay. All the gold bugs. All the gold bugs. Need to watch the 1770 and 1771. And obviously 1782. But all numbers are still there. Yeah. We got the 1771 palindromic and we got the 1782, 88. Well, these areas as well are, you're looking to fade it, yeah? To sell it as well. Yeah. But use size small. And today we have a date which is what we call as 21/9/21. Yeah. Which is palindromic. So do expect in the market turbulence. And yesterday we had the full moon in Pisces,
But
yeah.
this
And
is
I did post the chart as well that we had gone up and we came down like a rocket. Now we've come up a bit, yeah. Okay, that was full moon in Pisces, and Pisces is fishy stuff, yeah. So let's see if there's any fishy stuff going on. And Pisces as well related to, because fish don't swim on land; they swim in water fluids. So Neptune is about, and fluids basically you need to keep an eye on oil and things of that nature. Yeah. Okay.
today equinox also.
Equinox. Yes. Sorry. Nishant, I'm getting old man now. Forgetting, forgetting. I'm getting forgetful. Uh, okay. Same. We are below the 24. Yeah. 23 is above. So silver as well, you can look to fade it, to sell it, yeah, to sell it. And if you look, you see basically it's hardly done anything, yeah, hardly done anything. Although it's still on a downer, yeah. And when you look like gold has popped, silver is not going as much with it, yeah. And here as well, you can see like two. I mean, no ladies here, yeah. So you know what it looks like, yeah. You know what it looks like, okay. Not a titter out of it, yeah, Nishan bhai. not a tittle out of it. Yeah. Sorry about my bad jokes. You can throw all the tomatoes at me. Euro USD. Okay. Okay. It's going sideways, but ideally you want to look at what you would say as a pullback to buy. Yeah, a pullback to buy. Um, and when it does move, the first point of call, obviously, you got the half number at 750, but we wanted to say Bismillah at 1.1786. Yeah, you can keep that area as a key lock to break. Yeah, if it breaks that, then it will go higher. But if you can scalp it, you are fine. But scalp on the upside. Don't with the bottom one. Be careful. Yeah, be careful. And if you're buying the euro, you should be in a sell in USD CHF. But USD CHF, to be honest with you, is flowing much faster down than euro going up. Yeah, so maybe you need to wait for it to pull back to get in. Um, we did short it. I think I did short it with Ahmed to hold his hand. I took euro long and USD CHF short on Friday. Yeah, so I'm in that trade. And yep, you can see it. Look, it's nearly at F2. I think we got in at around 93 or 9 area. So it's nearly about 50 points in profit. Yeah. I'm going to wait until Ahmed gets out of the euro long. AUD USD, mark the lines, it's still going up when it comes. And remember, we said all the time is no transition, no transition equals no trade. Yeah. So you don't just say, I'm going to short it here. It is going up, it's going up, let it keep going up. And then when it starts to make a transition and you know the transition, then you can short it. Yeah. So you can minimize your risk. Okay. But otherwise, you can think of it like a triangle and it's coiling, 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 coiling. So you can either crack up or crack down. Yeah. Okay. Similar situation in the pound. Yeah. Wait until whatever. But in the morning, we were around here. So that would still only is only moved about 20 pips. Nishanta is not worth going for any heroics.
Yeah, yeah.
I think they're just waiting basically for the USA. Nah? Here as well,
Mhm.
look, just going sideways. Going sideways, yeah. Euro JP, GBP yen, sideways. Just wait for it as well. Okay, anybody else? Anything else? Anyone? Keep shouting as well. Yeah, hope I'm not going too fast. Yeah. Okay, LOC again. Best way to Americans open. Kiwi, okay. Going, going, going. Keep an idea on C2 and the middle area. If we can't break that, transition and then down, okay? And then down for a sell. So, question I would ask is, would you buy here? Be brave if you do, yeah. Be brave if you do. Better to wait. Better to wait, yeah. And also, don't forget, better to miss a good trade than just jump in one, huh? Because there'll be other buses or whatever or other, yeah. Okay. Euro GBP again sideways and MOB nothing doing at the moment. Euro AUD still trickling down. If the F2 holds and gives a V shape, then you can look for a little longer. Yeah. Same with AUD JP. Need to wait. It's just a waiting game. Just a waiting game. GBP CHF as well. Need to keep the F1 area. If it doesn't break that and it gives you that and the speed increases, then you can just put your stop and try and see LOC and MOB. Yeah, this is done its job. Yeah, it's done like the half letter N. So you just need to wait because at MOB it can pop up to C1, but we know C2 area is holding. So if it comes up, we can see like a double top, and we can go for a sell. And in your mind's eye, unless the pattern we said this is like a letter half N, if it does a full N is there, but we are at MOB. But in your mind's eye, if you think like maybe you can do a McDonald's, yeah, and you got a double top kind of thing to give you verification for a sell, yeah. At the moment, nothing to do, yeah, nothing to do, nothing to do. Okay, no questions at all. Wow, GBP NZD as well. This is holding, F1 holding, so you take a small size and see if you can get happy with the maybe, yeah. And make sure I give you all. Whoops, who is having a
Hello?
conversation?
Tamil, can you mute yourself? Tamil, mute yourself.
Who is it?
Tamil. Take it
இல்ல இப்ப கொஞ்ச நேரத்துக்கு
out.
முன்னாடி தான் கால் பண்ணாங்க நான் பேசிட்டேன்
Oi, is that Naveen?
இப்போதைக்கு இல்லைங்க நான் வேணும்
Yeah, Tamil, just take him out, bhai.
How do you take him out?
Just remove him from stream.
Kick. Yeah, kick out. That's it. If you can't behave, then you should have consideration for other people. You're right, Nishant Bhai. You want to have a disco? Invite us to it as well, yeah? Okay. So USD CAD, it's a swing long, yeah? It's a swing long. At the moment, nothing to do. But if you are going for a swing long, then wait a little bit. Nice pullback and hold, yeah? Mr. Pawan missing today, yeah? I think I saw a message yesterday from him. Oh, USD CAD is flying. And I said, good. You should be out, hopefully, But men don't listen. Men don't listen. AUD CHF sideways, nothing to do, yeah? AUD CAD, same thing sideways. Yeah, sideways when need if the market is not moving, doesn't matter what size you have or leverage you have or whatever you have, you ain't going to make money. You'll be scratching, the posterior all the time. Yeah, so better to wait. CAD CHF, nothing to do. CAD Jetty, again waiting game. GBP AUD. Okay. We got it down, we're getting a transition. So if it doesn't break F1, you can put your stop below the F1, a tight one, and it cannot be a day trade, but maybe you can hold it for a few days, huh? Maybe you can hold it for a few days, but you need to give it breathing space. You need to give it breathing space. It's just like somebody, I don't know, said, I don't know, um, oh, what did they say? Something like, oh, some the Nifty moved 200 points against them, yeah?
Oh.
And it came and he said, how would you put a stop loss on that? I said to them that you should know how much a thing can move in a day. If something is moving hundreds of points or 200, 300, 500 points in a day, when it doesn't move, then Nishanta, what are you going to do with the 10 and 20 pip stop?
Yeah.
Huh? It's silly, It's silly. It's silly question. So I said, better you go and learn how much it moves in a day, before saying anything. Popping up, okay. PBP CAD, no, nothing doing in GBP CAD. CHF Jetty, aha, it's above C2, so you can give it a little bit of a wide thing and take a small short, yeah. So ideally, you would put a stop above here, and then when it breaks that, then the halfway line, halfway line, halfway line, halfway line, lock. Not saying it's going like that, But ideally, you need to do that. It needs to break that. Yeah. Okay. There you are. Whoops. Okay. Wick, Wicks Vaporub. Okay. It's below LOC. So, with, from 17 we go to 20 to 23. Yeah. Till around say 25, 26. Yeah. So it is beginning to wake up a bit. Yeah. But we need more volatility in it. Once it does that, then we will be on it like a rocket. Yeah. This is Mexicano. Nothing doing Mexicano. Euro CHF. F2 not breaking. You can put your stop below that. See if you can go for halfway and F1. Yeah. But it's only 18 pips. Is it worth doing it? Nope. Unless you hold it. Yeah. NZD. Nah. Nothing doing here as well. Euro NZD is making a V shape. F1 is holding. Maybe you can put your stop here as a breather, LOC, MOB, and halfway, yeah? So this you could look to take a small long, okay? A size small, please. NZD, JP, MOB, neither here nor there, need to wait. Dollar index, we are below F1. F2 needs to hold, so this if dollar index is going down, then ideally we say that the euro is trying to go up, yeah? And is it? And is it? That's the other thing we need to look at. Where is the euro? Yeah, slowly but surely, but it is trying to go up. Yeah. Okay. And we know from before the 92.80 and 92.60 is important. Yeah, as a must hold. Yeah. Dr. Copper. Okay, popped up now down. Is holding. Yeah. But I don't know. This is just my thinking in that platinum, copper, whatever have you, and soybeans and all this stuff, corn and whatever. We need to watch them because things are not so rosy down there. Yeah, things it might just trickle down, not trickle down, but timber down very fast. Okay, we look down now. Pop. Let's see. These are all shorts. Yeah, these are all shorts. Need them to line up a bit. Soybeans down now. Little pop. Nothing doing. Ideally waiting for them to hold. Yeah. Welcome, Junaid. Nat gas. Joe did asked. So here nothing doing. Better to wait. Better to wait. And tomorrow is EIA nat gas. Yeah. Coffee, we are swing short in it like we keep on saying from before, 19250. So it's still like around $9 drop at the moment, which on futures is like 9 grand, yeah. But we are in it for the long run, yeah, not for the day run, yeah. Okay, Bitcoin 7642 is done, and this number is quite nice, 444445, yeah. Hey, now okay, not bad. 4564. Yeah, 4565 maybe would have been better. Okay, this is just me being crazy. Yeah, so it is slow. Yeah, it needs digesting a move. Wait and see. Litecoin. Okay, same thing again, going sideways. Nothing doing at the moment. What about Ethereum? 2880. Obviously, the mariners will know. Yeah, and we did go below that yesterday, and we came up to LOC. So now we're looking at like a shoulder, head, shoulder. Does it pop up or does it come down? Yeah, but better to wait. Let it show its hand. Let it show its hand. Let it show its hand. Yeah. And by the way, this line was marked from Nishan by long time ago. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Ago this time, we put it on S&P and we put 25920 on the Dow, yeah?
Right.
Vulture, yeah, vultures work. Ripple, no ripples here, no rippling at the moment. Euro kroner, no, sideways. Okay, so now this we can give everyone as this is US 30 uh, Dow cash daily levels. Yeah, this is from the Dow. Okay, so now we need to look at the S&P cash daily levels. So we can say US 500 SPX cash daily levels. Okay, these are the ones. And obviously, you can all look at it again on the. If you miss the levels or whatever, you can get them from the YouTube. Yeah. Okay. Uh, Indian rupee just for fun. Okay. Nothing doing. Okay. Amsterdam. Amsterdam doing the gap fill anyway. It's doing the gap fill. 789, 787. Okay. Turkish Lira. Okay. Big pop drop. Let's see. This is okay for Haji Attila. He's busy these days though. Hong Kong index, okay. New Zealand CAD, sleepy as well. This will all wake up when I go out. Believe me, Nishant, by at midday. Is there any data today, by the way? Any significant data or anything Tuesday? Don't know. Nikkei is up as well. Okay. USD ZAR, I think George was on it. They're around here. Okay. Need to watch the MOB. If it can't break MOB, comes back down again. Yeah. Eurocard, nothing doing as well. This is for Eric. He's not about, but anyway. Singapore Straits and Singapore dollar 1.35. Okay. Nothing doing. Yeah. Okay. So, guys, we have zoomed through all the levels. Yeah. Zoom through all the levels. Yeah. Any questions, anybody, or anything? Reza, welcome. Okay. 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 Ruben Kapatid, welcome. Yeah. Um, just what I was thinking, at the moment, just going through my brain or whatever was in the morning now, was thinking, and you know, idea basically in the head was crashes come and go. Yeah, we don't know when it's going to come, but they do come and go, and they happen quite fast. So I made a little note for myself. Yeah, that 1837, there was the panic of 1837 was basically speculators and landing practices were, whatever, and the railroad stocks. Cotton prices were going down and the land prices were going down. And investors, basically fled to the only source of real money available, which is gold and silver. Yeah. Then we had the 1901 panic. This was concerning basically a railroad stock again, Northern Pacific, and related to the Standard Oil as well. Yeah. And this was a battle between a guy, big shot, basically called James Stillman, and the Rockefeller, William Rockefeller. Yeah. Then in 1907, they call it the Knickerbocker crash. I don't know what it's got to do with Barry Nichols. But anyway, it was speculators losing, because of due to loose monetary policy by the states. Yeah, and the U.S. Treasury. And this 1907 is the one that gave birth to the what you can say as the Federal Reserve. Huh? Then we had the crashes of 1929, everyone knows about, 1937, 1974, 1987, 1998, which was the ruble crisis, the Russian ruble crisis, yeah? The 2000 tech bubble and Nasdaq crash, 2008 financial crisis, yeah? And 1992, George Soros, he knew the vulnerability of the British pound against the gold or whatever, and I think he made around a billion or whatever from it, yeah? And because at that time also the pound was pegged with the ERM to the Deutschmark, yeah? But he brought the Bank of England down to its knees and UK to a 3-day week, huh? Can you imagine the power of one man because the Bank of England had decided to auction gold, yeah? And when George Soros hit them, they had to put up, I don't know how many times, was it 10 times, 15 times, or whatever, in the day emergency interest rate hikes up, And now we have something, this Chinese real estate company. I think the ticker symbol is 3333. And in the Chinese, what you call feng shui and luck of numbers or whatever, 333 is a bad omen. It's an unsavory number. Yeah, not lucky number. And it is one of the biggest real estate in the world in debt. Yeah, with 305 billion. If this one collapses and is related to HSI and Midlands and so many other banks together, that will not be a ripple. It will be like a tsunami hitting it. Yeah, and the ripples going out. So it will be akin to the what we had in the 1990s, the LTCM. Yeah. So that is just. I'm not trying to spook anybody. Just giving you basically a little history lesson as to what happened in the past. What happened in the past, and maybe what I will do is maybe later on, because I've just made rough notes in my head, I will write it out properly in a logical manner and post it. Yeah, so you can keep it as well and read it. Yeah, but I'm not giving you like crash scenarios or anything. Just beware that whenever, if ever a crash does happen, it does not ring a bell. Yeah, does not ring a bell. So basically, what we are saying is situation awareness that something, if this sore blows up, then things can become nasty. So it's better to be just forewarned and be careful. Yeah, even though we don't trade the Hong Kong Shanghai index or whatever, but one bad apple can make the whole thing go. Yeah, it's like a pyramid. They're all built on a glass pyramid. If the cracks happen, they're all they all got their hands between each other's pockets. Yeah, so it might do a scramble. Huh? And not saying today, but thinking ahead, we we are in the process, or we could have put a top in or the top in Wall Street kind of idea. And if that is true, and if the 4888 area, 4880 we said, if that drops, then the pops can come, but the drops we can think of around minimum of 200 points down in ES. Yeah. So again, neck on the line. Yeah. But I will update it better when things line up. Yeah. At the moment, it's just like I'm keeping my neck safe. Yeah. But keep that number in mind, around 4200. Yeah. Okay, guys. So any questions, and we can maybe call it quits. Everyone's gone quiet, Nishan bhai. Whoops. Anybody? Any questions?
No questions, it seems.
No questions. Seems okay. So I can have a quick shower and get ready to pop out. Yeah.
Fine by. Yeah.
Huh? And like I said, I'm going to go around quarter to 12 midday, and either 1 hour or maximum 90 minutes I should be back. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay then. Yeah. So bye everybody, and you don't forget. I want to see everyone honest comments on YouTube. Yeah. So we're going to monitor you now. If you don't make a comment, not going to let you in. Nishan bhai. Only joking, guys. Yeah, only joking, guys. But no, because look, Nishan bhai, everybody does so much hard work, and until Nishan bhai to make all this happen. So last thing or the least thing you should do is at least be able to write a few words down. Yeah. Okay, guys. Bye for now. End broadcast. One, two, three. Going, going.